guys, welcome to Superpower Style. This is Prachi and in today's video I'll be showing you how to paint your nails perfectly. Today I decided to do this very basic video on nails instead of doing an elaborate nail art because I get this like all the time, when I'm wearing my nail art and girls see my nail designs. They are always like, how do you do nail designs on your nails? I can't even put nail polish on my nails perfectly. And I always tell them the same thing, that applying nail polish is slightly tricky, so there's nothing to feel bad about it. In fact guys, if you watch some of my initial videos on Superpower Style, like my oldest Superpower Style videos, the first 70-80 of them, in fact, I used to paint my nails terribly myself. I was so bad at it. I was so bad at it, you won't believe. I used to have my nail polish all over and it used to be just really bad, okay? So back then I didn't realize it, but now I know how bad my videos were back then. So what I'm trying to tell you is that in the last couple of years, with all my mistakes, I've actually learned how to finally paint my nails properly. I've come up with some hacks of my own. And I have to admit this, I have learned some things from other nail artists as well. So I just thought of making this video today to help all of you guys and making life easier for you all, so you don't have to learn it like me the hard way. This will also help you if you're like a right-handed person and if you're just struggling to put nail polish on your left hand, with your left hand. So with that, let's look at what these tips and tricks are and let's get started. So the first step is obviously cleaning up the nails, and I'll also show you a very cool long-lasting nail polish hack. For this you will need to take some white vinegar on a tissue or a cloth and just rub this thing on your nails. When you do this, it actually just sucks away all the oils from your nails and makes your nail polish last longer. Air dry it for 1 minute. For step 2, we will apply our base coat. Well, you were expecting this, weren't you? Base coat is actually very important because it protects the nails from color pigmentation from the polish and also from excessive drying. Since a lot of you keep asking me about base coats, well, here are a few options. You can find these base coats online very easily, so no issues with that. The first option is the Oriflame Crystal Base and Top Coat, which is great for a super glossy texture. The Sally Hansen Insta Grip is awesome for fast drying. Another great option is this Avon Nail Expert Strong or the OPI Nail Strengthener, both of which are great for brittle nails. And then there's the OPI Ridge Filler for those who have nails with ridges. Otherwise, the Avon Nail Experts is a great option if you're looking for some budget and a good base coat. For step 3, I'll show you how to check the brush of your nail polish and decide which brush to actually pick up. Now, some brushes are thick or they get thick in due course because of damage. So it's always a good option to pick nail polishes with thin brushes so that application of the nail polish becomes a lot easier. In step 4, I'll show you how to actually check your nail polish for dryness. Now here's a very quick and a really cool way. Just take some polish on the side and after 1 minute just check the polish for some lumps or strings. Now you will realize that a dry polish can get very lumpy in just about a minute, whereas a good polish will be almost smooth like you just saw. It works really well that way. For dry polish, always use a nail polish thinner. Never use a nail polish remover for thinning because it damages the polish very badly after just 1 or 2 uses. Another thing I want to talk about is how to actually shake your nail polish bottle. A good way is to shake the nail polish bottle by gently rotating it. Do not shake it vigorously, otherwise it may form bubbles on the nails. And now let's talk about how to actually apply that nail polish properly. First, what you need to do is to wipe off all the excess polish off one side of the brush. This will help in preventing color from running off when you apply pressure on the brush during application. Now place the brush close to the cuticles. Apply pressure so that the polish spreads to the cuticles and then simply pull away. For all those of you who have shaky or non-dominant hand problem, well, you can pull back your nails so that there is less brush movement. As you can see, I'm pulling back my fingernails apart from pulling the brush so that the application becomes a lot easier. So once again, let's repeat. Place the brush close to the cuticles and then pull your nails back. This is a very neat way of actually applying your nail polish because it just makes things so many times easier. As for the second coat, apply this only after the first coat has dried up completely so that you do not mess up your nail polish. And add a touch of polish on the tip to just prevent some extra chipping on the sides and to make your nail polish last longer. If you still end up getting some nail polish on your skin, well, you can clean up with a Q-tip that is dipped in nail polish remover. This is a very easy way of cleaning up without messing anything up. If you want to dry your nail polish faster, here's a quick hack that will come in very handy. Just dip your finger in ice cold water. Yes guys, this will feel a little cold, but it will definitely dry your nail polish much faster, and it's totally worth it if you're in a rush. And finally, about the top coat. Let me first tell you why top coat is important. It actually helps in making your nails more shiny and giving a smooth surface. And of course, it also makes your nail polish last longer, so that's why it's a great option. And step 8 is applying cuticle oil or Vaseline. Now this is optional, but I highly recommend this, especially for those who have dry cuticles that tend to keep peeling off all the time. So well, that's all for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Superwow Style for more. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter and Google+. Guys, I really hope you're sharing my videos, and especially this one, because it will definitely help so many girls learn how to paint their nails perfectly, and it will also help Superwow Style. So please share my videos, and thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.